Hi everyone, the purpose of the video is to remove the pollen filter from a Nissan Qashqai. First you have to remove the plastic cover near to the pedals, and then there is a small electromotor which has two screws, and we have to remove that two screw. It's a bit tricky to remove, but once that is done, it would be easier. Then you have to unplug the cables which are driving the electromotor, because it would be easier to reach to the pollen filter when the motor is not in the way. Then there is the metal support of the electromotor, and that is blocking to remove the filter's cover, so we have to move a bit away from the way to get out the filter from the place where it belongs. Once you have sufficient space to reach out to the top cover of the pollen filter, then in the bottom there is a plastic nut or plastic blockage what you can unblock, and then you could remove your pollen filter, actually the old pollen filter. As you see in the video, this was pretty dirty. Now you are wondering what has pollen filter to do with some spray, and the simple message is I'm cleaning the air conditioner starting from the pollen filter and also the channels of the air channels with that special spray which is creating a foam, and theoretically it kills all the bacteria inside of my air channels, and will remove actually will create a fresh air for me when I'm running the air conditioner. And basically this was the purpose to change the pollen filter, because I wanted to clean out my air conditioner. I never thought that inserting back the new pollen filter would be the hardest part overall, and I feel not sure the suffer what I went through to put back that filter in the right place. Let's shorten the way down just to show the key move when I have inserted back, or how I inserted back to the position itself. And if you are in the same situation, then here is some relaxing music for you to calm down. Once that is done, it's time to reinstall back everything as it was, and then to test it. So let me speed it up over here till the test part. If you have followed every step correctly, then by turning on the ventilation and increasing your temperature above than the outside temperature, you should see that the electromotor is opening the ventils in your system. And if you are decreasing the temperature, then it is closing the ventils in your system. If you believe this video will helpful for you, then don't forget to subscribe, hit the like button and leave your comments below. Thank you very much.